Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about something we've all experienced, hitting a wall. You know the feeling you're staring at your computer screen, your to-do list is a mile long, and you can't muster the motivation to do anything. Well, guess what? I just went through that myself. Right after the Chinese New Year celebrations. I was fired up to get back to work on my websites, but a couple days in, I just hit a brick wall. Now, the funny thing is, the day before this happened, a merchant contacted me about promoting their product. I was excited. More affiliate income. Awesome. But with my brain feeling like mush, I knew forcing myself to work wouldn't be productive. So I did something radical. I took a break. I scrolled through TikTok for a bit, did some meditation, even took a nap. Honestly, it was exactly what I needed. Here's the surprising part. While I was chilling, I ended up catching up with an old friend on WhatsApp. Somehow the conversation turned to this product, a herbal tea that I use to help me recover from cancer. And guess what? It turns out it can help with high cholesterol too, which is something she struggled with. So even though I wasn't planning on working that day, I end up with a potential sale, all thanks to taking a break. Now, I did manage to squeeze in some actual work that day. Some research on the affiliate product, the one I mentioned earlier that approached me and, wanted to work with me, and fixing a small issue with my ClickBank account. But honestly, the biggest win was allowing myself to rest and recharge. Trust me, if I forced myself to create content when I was burnt out, I would have been creating terrible content. The point is, sometimes taking a break is the most productive thing you can do. Listen to your body. When you're burnt out, pushing yourself only leads to frustration and low quality work. So next time you're feeling stuck, hit the pause button, take a walk, read a book, do whatever helps you unwind. You'll be surprised at how much better you'll feel and how much more you can accomplish when you're refreshed. So, hey, let me know in the comments below. Have you ever experienced a situation where taking a break led to unexpected benefits? Share your stories. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on crushing it on the online world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.